Morning, guys! From Yerevan. We're having breakfast right now. And by the way, it's our last full day here in Armenia, guys. And tomorrow we'll be going back to Dubai. Back to reality na kami, guys, after 9 days of vacation. So, bilis ng oras, bilis ng panahon, guys, but we're having fun. Most important thing is the memories. Enjoy much si Brex, guys. So, yan, nagluto lang kami ng pancit canton from Dubai. Dinala namin sa Yerevan. So, yung breakfast namin, guys. By the way, hindi na pala kami matutuloy sa Jermuk because of the weather for past 3 days, guys. Continuous yung snow. So, sabi ni tour guide namin, baka hindi daw accessible yung daanan papunta doon kasi nasa bundok siya. So, yeah, we decided to cancel it. And then, punta na lang kami sa ibang place dito sa city. Kasi hindi pa nakapunta si Brex sa Cascade Complex. Hindi pa niya nakita si Cascade. Nakita na namin si Mother of Armenia kahapon. Sobrang lamig, guys. Ngayon, yung temperature is -7. Yeah, so yung itinerary namin today, pupunta kami ng dalawang monastery, which is Corvirap and Noravank Monastery. And then after that, magma-wine tasting kami. So, yun lang yung agenda today, guys. And after that, kami na bahala mag-ikot-ikot dito sa city.
Bili na?
Then pupunta kami ulit sa Vernissage kasi bibili kami ng mga souvenirs.
Marami ang bibilhin namin, guys. Nung
Okay, so kain muna kami, guys, and we'll see you later. Guys, nandito na kami sa Corvirap. Ay, mga 30 minutes lang siguro yung drive papunta dito, guys. So, paakyat siya. Sobrang lamig pa rin. Pero, ay, di pala, ito lang ako. Ganun pa rin yung itsura niya. Dito pa rin yung mga souvenir shop sa gilid. Sobrang snowy.
May snow lang. I've been here since before. Years ago. Say hi. Hi. I'm going out. Let's go, Fatima and Sing. See? Just hold it tight. You'll be fine. Oh, she's not scared. You get one more step and you can face you. Yes. I will. Yeah, 30 years. How was it? How was it? How was it? See, told you you can do it. Guys, pumasok ako dito sa dungeon. It's my first time makapasok dito kasi last time hindi ako pumasok. Kasi natatakot ako. So this time, trinay ko talaga na pumasok dito. So, nakatira si St. Gregory Illuminator dito for 13 years, guys. Dito siya nakatago. Tinago siya. Grabe yung history dito. Imagine, dito sa isang dungeon siya, kinulong for 13 years. Buti na lang may isang babae daw na tumutulong sa kanya, naghahatid ng tubig at pagkain dito. Kaya nakasurvive siya for 13 years. Kasi yung nung araw daw, yung king nila hindi naniniwala sa Christianity. Kaya kinulong siya dito kasi gusto niyang mag-spread ng Christianity dito sa Armenia. Super
Going
cool.
up. It's nice view. Very nice view.
Very nice. Sobrang lamig lang guys. We're going up there guys. Going to that cross.
Started. Hi vegan, how are you vegan? Vegan giving us some shots. What is this shot? Oh, let me see. Okay, what is this shot? Oh, kuya, let's try it. Huh? Now you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's a fruity. It's a banana vodka. See, guys.
It's fruity.
Nice. You like it?
Strong.
Yes. Yeah, it's nice.
Sobrang tapang. Woo!
It's a banana vodka, guys.
Sobrang tapang. Woo! Hi guys, we are done here in Corvirap Monastery and we are about to go to the next stop, which is Noravank Monastery guys. I think it's already past 11 in the morning. Sobrang lamig dito guys. Bumili kami ng mga souvenirs. Kala namin is mahal siya pero mura lang naman. Then tumawa din kami kasi medyo marami yung binili namin. So, I don't know how long it will take from Corvirap to Noravank. So, yeah. Yun yung next stop natin. Sobrang lamig talaga, guys. Whew. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Areni Cave. From Corvirap, dumiretso kami dito. Kala ko pupunta kami ng Noravank muna, pero dito kami sa Areni muna kasi gusto nilang, kasi may cave dito guys. Yung last time na pumunta kami, umakyat kami doon sa cave. So ngayon, hindi kami papasok guys kasi nakita na namin yung loob. So si Vrex at saka si Fatima na lang yung pinapasok namin. So nandun sila ngayon sa cave.
Ito yung restaurant. Ano ba dito?
Oo. Tapos dito lang kami naghahanap ng WC kasi ihina kami guys. Sobrang tapang ng ininom namin na gin. Ano yun? Gin at saka brandy and vodka. Parang maglolong island na yun. Sobrang ganda dito. Wala to last time nung pumunta kami, itong restaurant na to guys. Doon lang kami sa kabila, dito wala. Ganda. guys, we are here in RP
Wine.
Winery. So bago to guys. It's our first time coming here. So the last 2 years ago we went to Arani Wine Factory, and this time nandito kami sa RP Wine. Dito kami magwa-wine tasting.
Yeah.
Di namin alam if may bayad or wala. Or maybe
There is.
siguro magbibili ka lang din ng wine same sa Georgia, no? So, yes. Malapit lang siya sa Arani Cave, guys. It's just 5 minutes to 10 minutes drive, I think. Buti na lang may araw na, guys, pero malamig pa rin.
We'll go to our tasting room. You can choose what you want to eat. You can order your food. After, I'll tell you details about tour and wine tasting.
Okay. So guys, yung bayad sa wine tasting is tatlo yung package nila. Yung first package is 3,000, which is consists of 3 wines, which is rosé, white wine, and red wine. The second package is cost 5,500 dirham. So it consists of 3 wines, rosé, white, and red wine, and isang whiskey or cognac. And then the last package is 7,700. Lahat na yun. Lahat na. I don't know kung ilan yung whiskey or brandy. Meron lahat ng liquor na nandito. Yun yung inclusive ng 7,700, no? So yeah, so yung pinili namin yung first lang, yung 3,000 dirham na package, guys. Kasi may ibibigay daw silang plate of cheese para sumsuman. So yeah, and then dito na din kami kakain pala. Nag-order na kami ng food, lunch. Order kami ng baboy, soup, salad. Yeah, yun yan. Medyo malapit lang dito sa Arani, guys. And then by the way, yung restaurant pala na kinainan namin last time doon sa Arani Cave, close na siya. And then sa kabilang side may bagong restaurant na nag-open. So masastart na kami ng mag-tour, guys.
Play nga daan.
Wine tour sa loob.
Wine tasting. Wine tour.
So this is the oak barrel wine, guys. So they preserve the wine here. So most of the wine here are already 6 years old. So it's quite small, but the barrel is so big. So I would prefer the oak barrel compared to metal wine because you can really taste the wine, the aroma of the wine. Yes.
You have to start from white wine and go to red, rose, and then to the end.
Aynen oradan o da demek istiyorsun. Zanget içime kadar.
for drinking it because it has 3 different smells, but when you taste it, it's not similar to smell. We didn't have anything, they're only grapes. During fermentation, one can get some interesting smell.
Wait, becomes
It becomes rosé in from red wine. After starting the fermentation for red wine, after 2 to 12 hours, we sell rosé from it. So it is from red wine. That one is Arabic wine.
If you will keep it that, after 12 hours, it will come.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Like-
taste is different also.
Yeah, the taste is different.
These two are from the strand grape.
So if you want to say, everything it depends. The red one,
We take off the skins.
you need the white one, they need the juice.
Yes, for white wine we use only juice.
With the red one, you.
For the red wine we use grapes. Both grapes and juice. Try to guess how does it smell and same way.
I will tell you how to eat. Wait, I'm calling to bring. Nu știu,
They pour here.
Dito na kami sa Noravank, guys. Maganda pa rin. Nice to be back here. Ching! Snowing, guys. It's snowing. It's already 5 in the afternoon yata. Nandito pa rin kami sa bundok. Sobrang lamig. So this is Noravank, guys. Sobrang ganda dito. Yung weather ngayon is, yung temperature is -6, guys. Buti na lang walang masyadong tao. Nakapag-picture kami. That place is so peaceful. If you want to make a wish, you can throw a coin and make a wish here. Hi guys.
Pagod na mga person.
I'm going home.
Pagod na mga person, guys.
Saglit lang kami sa Noravank, guys. Sobrang lamig doon, as in.
Yes.
As in, sobrang lamig din na kaya. So yeah, pabalik na kami sa Yerevan. Nag-stop over lang kami dito sa may supermarket. Bumili sila ng tubig at saka nag-washroom. Na kami lumabas, guys, kasi sobrang lamig. So we still have, I'm checking. Still have 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour more, guys.
Yeah.
Biyahe. And then
But we spend a lot of money.
dami lang nabili na alak, guys. If you're here in Armenia, for sure bibili ka din.
This is for souvenir. 15 years. Oh my God.
Yeah, 15 years the
In
whiskey.
a barrel. Imagine.
Tapos yeah, then sobrang mura din dito. So if you're coming from Dubai, guys, you're allowed to bring alcohol
each passenger 4 liters lang. Okay?
Yes.
Hi guys! Madaling araw na dito sa Armenia. It's already past 1 a.m. guys. And it is already February 23 and it's the day na babalik na kami sa Dubai. So mamaya yung flight namin at 12:20 ng hapon. So tapos na kaming mag-pack guys. Tapos na kaming mag-ayos ng mga gamit namin. And we are ready to go back to Dubai. It is actual reality na tayo guys. Tapos na yung vacation natin. And yeah, si Junvex umalis. Gumala lang dun sa bar. We're super tired na kaya hindi na kami sumaman. Sobrang lamig sa labas guys. It's currently -8 sa labas. So, no tayo dyan. So yeah, naglinis lang kami dito sa apartment. At least malinis siya before kami alis dito. Para hindi naman nakakahiya na umalis kami na madumi yung apartment. Yeah, so we are ready guys. It's quite sad but what to do? There's always a next time to come here, right? So yeah, so matutulog na kami guys because maaga kaming gigising bukas. Yung pick up namin is 9:30 kasi may dadaanan pa kami. May mga last minute pa kaming bibilhin. Morning from Armenia.
Morning.
We are about to leave, guys. Nandito lang kami sa Vernissage saglit. Check lang namin kung may mga open na shop. Kasi usually nag-open sila dito ng 10. But let's see guys if may mabibili kami dito. Kasi pumunta kami dito kagabi. Maga sila nag-close. As in, kasi nga continuous yung snow guys. Wala talagang sobrang ay may open na. Only few shops. Let's see po anong so yung flight namin is 12:20. It's still 9:20 guys. So inagahan talaga namin para pumunta dito. So yeah.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta